quick, and I was in shock that she got close. She took off her mask really fast and she coughed on my son's face. I believe this woman might be racist because the family in front of her was white. Me and my grandma are Hispanic, and she started telling me about my distance and harassing me and my son once I started speaking Spanish to my grandma. If he were to get sick, I can't even imagine.